Hey folks, Mike Evers, OrthoWorld's Senior Market Analyst, here with another orthopedic market update. This time we're looking at the spine segment. We'll take a high-level look at the market, its top players, some notable mid-tier players, industry trends, and then we'll wrap it up with our market forecast. Let's dive in. According to our estimates, the spine market generated $10.8 billion worldwide in 2024. Its growth rate last year was 3.6%, which is still a bit elevated compared to its historical low single-digit average. Finally, about 3/4 of all spine sales occur in the United States, but there are still compelling international opportunities for globalized players. The top 5 players in spine account for more than 62% of all sales in the market. Medtronic is the market leader thanks to its immense scale and enabling technology ecosystem that is changing the competitive landscape. Globus Medical became a credible challenger to Medtronic after its acquisition and integration of NuVasive. And then J&J MedTech has been a share donor in spine for several years. The company recently announced it'll spin off its orthopedic businesses within the next 2 years. Likewise, Stryker divested its $700 million spinal implant business to VB Spine in early 2025, but opted to retain its spine-related enabling technologies. Finally, ATEC is an aggressive, share-taking company that's on track to eclipse $1 billion in sales by the end of 2027. Now, there are plenty of interesting companies in the mid and small tiers of the market, but we've picked 3 players we think could capitalize on the changing landscape. Highridge Medical emerged out of Zimmer Biomet and then ZimVie's spine assets. The company is privately held and run by industry veterans who are operating it as quote-unquote spine's largest startup. Orthofix brought in a completely new leadership team after it merged with C-Spine and has a unique combination of enabling technology, spinal hardware, and biologics. And then finally, SI-BONE boasts a full complement of sacropelvic solutions and an expansive total addressable market. Its surgeon user base more than doubled since 2022. Enabling technology, minimally invasive procedures, and alternative sites of care are 3 of the trends shaping the spine market. Enabling technology is changing the competitive structure of the market, especially amongst the top players. Medtronic CEO Jeffrey Martha said the basis of competition in the spine market is rapidly changing. We're causing this disruption with our arsenal of differentiated enabling technologies. Surgeons have to make a choice, and they're standardizing with a company that can offer them the full complement of innovative technologies. And then minimally invasive surgery could be the future of spine, given its better outcomes, reduced morbidity, and its suitability to alternative sites of care. Between 20 and 30% of all spine cases in the US are minimally invasive, and that number could climb as companies like Arthrex lean into the segment. Now, while procedures across orthopedics are moving to the ASC, spine has been a bit slower to shift. The complex requirements for surgery, as well as a reimbursement landscape that favors inpatient surgery, have limited the shift. According to our estimates, the spine market will surpass $12.3 billion worldwide by 2028. Industry headwinds include inflationary pressures that could cause patients to postpone surgery, ongoing industry price pressure, and aggressive consolidation that could limit choice and slow innovation. Tailwinds driving the market include a rapidly accelerating demand for care as the population aged 60 and older grows, healthcare consumerism, and improving quality of care that could drive significant investment in the market. There's always more to say about the spine market, but we'll leave it there for now. We talked about the spine market's 2024 performance, its top players, some notable mid-tier players, industry trends, and our market forecast out to 2028. As we move into the end of the year, we'll have plenty of important updates coming your way, including our year-end projections and our orthopedic company sales matrix. You'll find those updates here on YouTube and at orthoworld.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.